Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I picked up one of these headlight restore kits. You can see the TurtleWax Speed Headlight Lens Restore. Pretty bold claim here of before and after. My headlights look pretty close to that. They're pretty foggy, pretty cloudy. But apparently this is supposed to be able to clean it up to almost brand new looking like in the picture here. So it was only $10. I'm going to give it a try. We're going to follow the instructions on the back here to a T and see how it comes out. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first step on the box here is to wash and dry your headlights. So we're going to use a spray bottle with some water and a quick rag and just wash off any gook off there. Next, we'll take some blue Scotch painter's tape and put it around the edge of the headlights here. We don't want to scratch the paint with the sanding pad, so we'll just put it all the way around the edges here so we don't scratch anything. Alright, so step one is to apply the lens repair or renew compound to a small cloth. Spread evenly, blah, 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 blah. Here is our renew compound, and then we'll just make sure we buff area with a dry cloth, and then we'll go from there. Alright, you can see immediately a little bit cleaner after the polishing compound, but not nearly as clean as we expected to get, so we'll continue with the next step. Alrighty, step two is the sanding step. Use tap water to wet headlight and sanding pad. Use finger pressure, blah, 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 about 30 seconds on the number 1 side of the pad. And then we'll flip it over and do number 2 side in the opposite direction and wipe lens with a dry cotton cloth. You can already see stuff starting to turn into a little bit of a paste and drip off the headlight, so we're definitely making progress. I'll make sure I get this pretty good. It's hard to tell with all the junk on it, so we'll wipe it off and see what it looks like after this. Next step is to use our number 2 pad, so we'll just kind of wipe it off again. Sorry, spray water on it again. Use the opposite side, number 2, the brown side, and do the same thing. It said go in the opposite direction, so maybe we should do that. That looks much clearer already. Alright, so we're done with that. Next step is to wipe lens with a dry cloth. Then step 3 is going to be reapply headlight lens and renew compound for 30 seconds over entire lens. Alright, and then wipe dry. Just go ahead and wipe it dry. I don't know how clear this looks. Still see some stuff on here. I will get up closer here and let you be the judge. So it's definitely clearer, but I still see some of those marks in there that I don't want to be there and I don't think should be here. So while it is definitely clearer than the non-touched side yet, not super happy about this. Definitely think it needs to be professionally done then and not just a $10 quick fix. I'll keep trying it, but my review here is that it does not work as well as it does on the picture on the description. So thanks for watching. I'll do some more work to it and clean it up with the final coating, but I don't see the results I wanted to see. Alright, thanks for watching.